Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how a freelancer can create his own project to show it for the client as like this, so that client can hire him for any particular project. For creating any project, go to the freelancer profile, click on project create. Now we will follow the step one by one for setting up our first project. Let's first select a category, then select a subcategory, and then the title. This is a test title. Okay, so slug will be generated automatically. Here will be description. This is a description. Is need to minimum 50 character. So click on the next. Now we need to upload an image with exact same path of 590 width, 320 pixel height. So let's do it. Let's upload this one and click on the next. Now here we need to set up our packages and charges. So it has the three packages. We can change the package name as per your need, and how much revision. In the basic we will keep 1, and for the standard we will keep 5, and for the premium we will keep 10. For the basic plan we will keep it 3 days, for standard plan we will keep it 2 days, and for 1 day. So here this will be the things user need from us. Let's say in our case we will design a platform. Let's say 10 page, and it will be let's say put it page and put the number 5 page, 10 page, 12 page. Let's add another one, SEO. It will be checkbox as we will be do for our pre-plan. Basic plan will not have the SEO. And let's put another one, we can say Java script. We can put it as the number 1, like 1. Here we will put slider, I think, which is make more sense. 2, 5. Click on the create project. You can change the charges as well if you want to. The project is created. This is how actually create any project in the Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace. Now the project actually goes to the admin panel for the approval. Once the admin is approved your project, you will see it in your dashboard list, as well as you will see it in the home page category page. Here you will see it here. So this is actually how you can add project in the Xilancer Marketplace platform. I hope now you understand how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.